mother ever had. First she got pooped on.
Oh no! George, where's your balloon?
Here, eat your pizza. Eat your pizza. Oh, George, it's up there.
It's up there, George?
Eat your pizza. That's probably for the best. I think it is. George, eat your pizza.
Oh, no.